My name is Taylor. I go by Taylor Lindsey as well. I also go by the plant plug or the plug if it's easier for you. I sell plants and plant accessories.
What's up?
I got you. Let's see. Woo! I got some sweet basil for you. That's for you. I got your favorite kabocha squash. Make sure it's right. I'm trying to jump out the pot. I'm so excited.
I've been waiting for this.
I got a little tiger for you right there. Smaller starter seedling plants. So I focus on the low maintenance, but my biggest push is on plant education and also historical tie-ins. Whatever I sell to people as a nursery or as the plug, I've had experience with on myself. The plant plug started in 2019 as a passion project. I was growing a couple plants here and there. There's a big change, and I got into the desire to grow more to see how much one person can produce. I went from producing maybe 5 plants, mostly kale, to doing about almost 100 by myself. So the whole back porch, the whole driveway completely took it over. Went from doing 100 plants to 1,000 plants in a year. Hey, it might be 10,000 next year, you know what I'm saying? Who knows, on the plug, I'm always gonna have something on deck. So that's how it happened. So Instagram, DM me, and that's it. And I usually have on hand the menus that I have available, and I'm going to feature very soon appointment only in-house buying. So you can just come like you would any other nursery and just see what I have, and you can just buy right then and there. And sometimes when you show up, you get a free plant. Plant Plug. You can follow me at Plant Plug, the Plant Plug on Instagram, the Plant Plug, no underscore LA. Plants on plants for the people, by the people. Plug into people, plug into fresh produce at your house, and plug into the community. Let's go.